Oh, here we go.
This is Emma eating rice cereal for the first time.
Swallow it. You swallowed it a minute ago. My child that doesn't sit still.
It is all over her face.
There we go.
She's looking at the camera like, Daddy, help me. This crazy lady. I'm sorry, monkey. It's kind of funny. Look at her smile.
There's more? Not really. I didn't really want the first batch. Oh.
Can you get it off the bottom of her mouth?
Huh?
Get it off the bottom of her mouth. Hey, cutie pie.
We may have to take the Aaron and Tony approach.
What's that?
You may have to hold her still while I do it.
Actually, you're way too cute.
You have more? Oh! Yeah, did you like getting that on video for everyone to see?
She's punching at you. Mommy got slick. She got slick. Mama's having a time with this, isn't she? Hey, monkey.
Where's your brush?
She's like, I'm super hyper because Mom gave me a milkshake earlier.
I did not give her a milkshake.
Whipped cream.
I let her taste whipped cream, which is no worse than Papa letting her have ice cream.
She has on her nose.
I have a feeling we're about to start doing a whole lot more laundry. Two more?
Alright, I think I'm gonna stop. It's kind of a long video.